All right, here we are on the Parmelee Trail at Mount Falcon West. This is a beautiful trail. Look at these views. Got two of the Colorado agents there, another one coming up behind. Look at this. Love this trail. One thing that's fun about this trail is that you start by immediately just walking down really steeply, and you end up in kind of these meadows with these amazing views all around, and then eventually we'll start going back up, but we cross a stream, and a really fun trail. We've got everyone prepared for mountain lion attacks, bears.